Hey friends, how are you guys? Just popping on for a quick unboxing of my virtual album retreat supplies. I just can't wait to show you what just arrived. For those of you who are not familiar with this is the first time Stampin' Up! Has created an album retreat. It's going to be from July 16th to the 18th from 2 to 10:30 p.m. Mountain Time. I know for us Guamies, this is probably not a very ideal situation, but no worries, because these will all be recorded and you can watch it later. Anyway, so again, July 16 to 18, and the retreat, the videos are only available to those of you who purchase the kit. So if you want to watch like 3 days worth of tips and techniques and design inspiration for scrapbooking, be sure to grab a kit. Now, these are only while supplies last, so I think right now there are still some kits available, so don't delay. Anyway, so let's get unboxing, right? Okay, so there goes month by month album retreat unboxing. Let's open this up. So if you're still on the fence about joining, this is your chance to see exactly what's included in that retreat fee. Hopefully, it helps you say, yeah, I need this, I want this, and click on that checkout button. So let's look at this pouch. I just love how it's all nicely packaged together. So let's see, let's open this up. Now, there are exclusive stamp sets that are included in this kit that you won't get elsewhere, okay? So we've got a nice alphabet set for scrapbookers or even card makers. It's a great thing to have. We've got some floral images here. Sorry for the glare. Let me see. Well, we'll see. I'll try to avoid the glare. Oh, I know what. Let me switch off the light and see if that works. Okay, there. Oh, is that better? Oh, that looks a lot better. Sorry about that. Anyway, this is wonderful. These are little spaces you can put your journaling on. Well, at least that's what I was thinking of I would be doing. But you can always design your page with these shapes. Thanks for joining me while you're jumping in. Please be sure to leave a comment. Let me know where you're watching from and whether you are a scrapbooker or not. So these are really useful stamps for scrapbookers, for documenters. Okay. Yeah, there you go. So these are exclusive stamp sets that you won't get otherwise. Okay, these are like little pockets. Hi, Gail, how are you? And these are embellishments for your pages. These are nice and flat, okay? So that's that. So we've got quite a few of these little supplies here. And what's this? Oh, so these are for your, what you call it? The index for the stamp set. So this shows you at a glance what those stamps look like, right? And you can put them in a case and be done with it. The case is not included. Okay, so I think that's it for this batch here. Oh, okay. So for this, let me show you here. So, you know, you don't even need to have your photos printed yet to complete this album. Isn't that wonderful? Because these kit comes with these photo placement pieces. That's what these are for. Let me show you. Where's my scissors? we go. So these are photo placements. They'll show you, okay, here, this is for a 3x3 photo, okay? So you definitely don't need to have your photos all ready. Just let, you know. So the kit comes with these, and you can plan your layout now. So complete the pages, and then when you're ready, pop the photos in later. So this is what stress-free scrapbooking is all about, right? Is when you have time, you complete the pages and you have it ready, okay? Just like making cards, it's no different. You know, you create a whole bunch of cards, and then when you're ready, you just pick what you need. So let me put these back in here. Don't want to lose them. So that's that. And it also comes with your page protectors, right? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Because remember, we're making 12 double-sided scrapbook pages. So this is all ready to go. So when you complete your pages, so slip them in there and save them until you need them. Okay, let me put them away here. And so here goes. So each month, okay, I'm putting months in quotation. So even though these pages are divided by months, you definitely don't have to stick to that. Let your photos guide you. Use whatever layout best fits your memories. It's all about telling your story your way. So this one, yeah, so these are the die cuts for the months. And again, you don't have to. I think I should take this out, right? So you can see it better. There's just so much in here. You really get your money's worth. There we go. See? You know, for those of you who have a new baby, it could certainly be a school year album. I mean, think about it. You complete these now. In fact, solicit your little kiddos to help you finish up all these pages. And as the school year goes by, you just insert the photos in there. And before you know it, the whole school year is documented. Isn't that wonderful? This is called, you know, like meal prep, right? Yeah, meal prep. And this is called scrapbook prep. Okay, so these are more die cuts that you can use for these pages. Again, so simple. Everything is already cut out for you. You don't need to think about the colors, scheme, design. Everything's done for you. So this one is just all these little blank journaling spots, I think, right? And these are, ooh, this is what I read about, and I'm excited. These are embossed papers. And I can't wait to hear what techniques they're going to show us with this. See, this is embossed. I bet they're going to do some blending. Let me see, can you see this better? Yeah, so you can see this better. So these are embossed paper. And yeah, I'm looking forward to learning what techniques to use with this. There are a couple embossed paper. Let me get the other embossed paper. Isn't this beautiful? Oops. Let me see how you can see. Oh, can you see this better now? Ay, ay, ay. The lighting here. There. I think you can see this. So exciting. So you're not just completing pages, but you're also getting inspiration and new techniques to use on your scrapbook pages. All right, here's the meat of the project. You know what, let me turn it around. There we go. So each month is divided up into little packets. I mean, don't you just love the details? These are all in little plastic Ziploc bags. So everything you need for project 1, for example, is all here. Look at it. All the pieces are already cut out for you. If you've purchased our scrapbooking kits, you still need to do your own cutting. But look, no more cutting. So what excuse do you have for not trying to make a page or two, right? And you know what? A lot of times the patterns, the designs that I see from scrapbooking page, you can easily transfer into your card making. So it's a win-win. So look, there should be about 12 of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, this is a thick packet, this one. 10. I mean, it's just amazing that they've done all the hard work for you. You know, all the cutting's done. Look at that. All you need to do is just put it in the design, right? There will be complete instructions when the time comes. Look at that. And there you have it. 12 project kits. Wonderful, right? So, let's see. And how I'm going to organize it. Just wanted to share something with you in case you guys are looking for ways to store this, is I usually keep my 12 by 12 projects in these Ziploc big bags. Let me show you. So I will be getting rid of the box, although if you want to keep the box, you are certainly welcome to keep the box. But I have these Glad Ziploc bags that I'm going to just stick everything in there. And you know what? For those of you who like to go to scrapbooking get-togethers and want to work with other people, hey, this is a great way to have all your supplies in here and all in a container with a little nice handle here. Cool, huh? So yeah, so in case you guys are not familiar with this, this is the Ziploc Big Bags 5L. I think it's 5 liters. Is that what the L stands for? I don't know. If somebody knows, let me know. So anyway, what do you guys think? It's really such a great value if you consider you're getting, you know, 2 really comprehensive stamp sets. You're getting all the pieces for 12 pages, you know, 12 double-sided pages. You've got all the page protectors. And what else do you get? Yeah, and it's all cut out for you. So the labor there, you know, you can't deny that. That's the labor. That is, you're getting part of the package too. So think about it and don't delay. As I said, supplies are limited, and once it's gone, it's gone. But you know, you've got the video that you can watch over and over again and join in with the whole, you know, Stampin' Up! Family, and let's document some memories. So if you've ever wanted to dabble in scrapbooking, this is also the perfect chance, because you'll have all of these pages ready, and when you have your photos, then stick them in. How easy is that? All right, so that's what I wanted to share with you today. Thanks for joining me, and let me show this flyer one more time. So it's the virtual album retreat. It's happening July 16th to the 18th, 2 to 10:30 p.m. Mountain Time. I forget, I think it's maybe 6 a.m. Guam time. So, I mean, certainly not bad, but, you know, I don't know if I'm ready to do that yet, that early in the morning. But again, you know, you have access to the Facebook group, and you'll have access to it afterwards as well. But the key thing is, don't delay. Make sure you order yours. If you have any questions, feel free to message me. I'd be happy to help you. Okay? Again, thank you so much for watching me unbox this. And if you're watching live, thanks, Gail. I'm so glad to have you on board. If you're watching on the replay, thank you. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know. All right. Thank you, and have a great day.